Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa for those of you who are new. For those of you returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today I want to review the YSL Fragments zipped card holder case. It's something that I got for my birthday. I want to share with you guys my favorite things about it, my least favorite things about it, as well as price and if I think it's worth it. So let's get into the video. So I want to start with the unboxing portion, and of course I bought this off the YSL website. It comes in this beautiful little box as it normally does from YSL in their standard packaging. When you open the box, you get the beautiful dust bag and the wallet was inside, as well as the card with your receipt and the authenticity card. Definitely things to keep. And what I love about the YSL packaging is that it's very universal. It looks very pretty if you want to put it out as a decor item. So for the card case itself, I got the Fragment zipped card case in the smooth leather with the gold hardware. And there's a few things that attracted me to this card holder. One, I love the simplicity and the chicness of having a little bit less of a flashy card holder. YSL does make other card holders that in my opinion are a little too loud for my liking. So I really loved how simple and sleek this one looked. I think the only thing that I'm a little bit hesitant on and will have to just be careful with is the fact that it is a smooth leather item. I previously did a best and worst designer purchases and I mentioned smooth leather needs a lot of pampering because it is very easily scratched and damaged just because it is so smooth. So normally I do aim for something a little bit thicker, a caviar leather, a pebbled leather, something that doesn't show scratches as easily. I want to show you guys what I was working with before, and I had this really large croc card case from Princess Polly. So when you see a size comparison, the YSL card holder is extremely small and it's quite long. It's very flat, so you can see with both, it's very thin and super compact. Right now I only have 2 cards in it. It's quarantine, so I don't need a ton of cards, thankfully. And then I also have some cards in the zipper case, which is what I really loved. I don't really carry around coins or actual dollar bills right now, so it makes sense to have those cards that you may not use very often or just ones that you don't want out and showing in your zipper compartment. So I think I went over my favorite aspects of the card holder, which is the sleekness, the simplicity, as well as it being so lightweight and so skinny and narrow. It'll fit perfectly into any bag or any sort of zipper pocket that you will have. In terms of my least favorites, and I don't think this is a least, but as I mentioned, the smooth leather is a bit high maintenance, so it's something I'm gonna have to keep in mind when I'm using it. As for the price, I paid $294 for this, and I think if you're looking to get a card holder versus a bag, I would definitely lean more to get a bag. I think if I didn't have a bag yet, it wouldn't make sense for me to have a card holder. I just think a card holder is a very beautiful accessory to have, but it's not something that I prioritized to purchase until I had a bag as well to go with it. I'm gonna leave additional hauls and designer reviews up above so you guys can take a look, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.